Hello, today we will guide you through how to enter and pay bills in QuickBooks Online. To begin, open QuickBooks Online and make sure you are on the main dashboard or homepage. This is where you can access the tools you need to manage expenses and vendor payments. If you are already signed in, you can go straight to the navigation menu on the left side of the screen. From the left navigation panel, move your mouse over Expenses. Hovering here will expand the available options and help you find the Bills area. Once that menu appears, click on Bills. This takes you to the section where you can review existing bills and create new ones for expenses that need to be tracked and paid later. On the Bills page, click Add Bill. Then choose Create Bill. This opens the bill entry form where you can record the details of a new bill. At this point, enter your sample bill information into the fields shown on screen. Be sure to fill out the form carefully so the bill is recorded accurately. This step is important because it helps QuickBooks track what your business owes and when payment is due. As you complete the bill form, continue following the on-screen prompts to finish creating the bill. Depending on your setup, QuickBooks may ask for details such as the vendor, bill date, due date, category, or amount. Take a moment to review everything before moving forward. A quick check here can help prevent mistakes and make the payment process smoother later. Once you are done entering the bill, click Save and Schedule Payment. This saves the bill in your records and prepares it for payment. Saving at this stage ensures the bill is properly entered before you move on to the payment portion of the process. Next, return to the home screen. From there, go to the top left area of the screen and hover over Create. This menu gives you quick access to common actions in QuickBooks. When the drop-down appears, click Pay Bills. This will open the bill payment screen, where you can choose which saved bills you want to pay. On the Pay Bills screen, select the bills you created earlier, then follow the on-screen steps to complete the payment process. QuickBooks will guide you through the remaining details needed to finalize the payment. As you work through this part, make sure you are paying the correct bill and reviewing the payment information before confirming. And that's how to enter and pay bills in QuickBooks Online. Following this process helps keep your expenses organized and your payments on track.